How's it going there, honey buns? Thursday got a little sparkly with all the glitzy updates that came our way today, from Priyanka Chopra taking over Hollywood to announce the Oscar nominations, to Taimur Ali Khan joining our Bollywood star in spreading Mahashivratri wishes, Vicky Kaushal horsing around on the race course. Here are the hottest headlines of the day. If you needed a reason to get excited for the Oscars 2021, we'll give you two. Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas, our Desi girl, and her haughty husband will turn presenters and announce the long list of nominees who will be in the running for Oscar glory. The Park couple took to their handles to make the big announcement with cutesy videos and adorable captions to go with it. Well, at least we know Monday's gonna be exciting for sure. On the auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri, Bollywood stars from Ajay Devgan to Kangana Ranaut, Sonu Sood to Kunal Kemu, Urmila Matondkar to other Bollywood stars including Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta took to social media to share their warm wishes with fans. Also blessing our timeline was his royal cuteness Taimur Ali Khan. Mr. Tim proved just why he is everyone's favourite star kid when he stepped out with a third eye drawn on his forehead to celebrate the festival. Isn't he the best? Although adding some sunshine to our day was Vicky Kaushal, who was out being his goofy self. Turning his horse riding lesson into a fun and enjoyable one was Vicky with his balancing act. Prep for the immortal Ashwathama must be going pretty swell, because not only has this hunk mastered the art of horse riding, he even learned to stand up on a horse. What brought this on, you ask? Got a little too inspired by Majnu Bhai's painting this morning, Vicky quipped in his caption. Talking about movies, who is up for a controversy? Buzz that Kamal R. Khan may have just released the plot of Shah Rukh Khan's Pathaan, taking to Twitter and telling us some of the things we already know. He said SRK will play a raw agent while John will play Russian mafia and Deepika a cop. It was, however, the other half of his tweet that ruffled some feathers. He claimed that scenes from Bang Bang, War and some other Hollywood films will all be there in Pathaan, and went on to claim the film will thus be a flop. We'll let the box office be the deciding factor on that, okay? Meanwhile, on a tropical island far away, our bees brought back a gorgeous photo of Akshay Kumar spending some much-needed alone time with his wifey Twinkle Khanna. Sharing the picture with gratitude in his heart, he said, "Happy place is equal to happy face. We are grateful for this getaway in the middle of a pandemic." While one star couple is kindling the flames, another has doused theirs. After a 2-year courtship, Myra Mishra and Adhyayan Suman have split. While there were rumors of the couple dating for quite some time, they didn't confirm the news until recently, when the actress admitted to being in a relationship with Suman. Apparently, the once madly in love couple has parted ways and Myra has moved back to her own pad. Confirming the news to RB, she said, "Yes, we broke up in November. Though Adhyayan has been posting breakup stories on his Instagram account, I would like to clarify that those posts aren't for me. They are for his song." Revealing what drove them apart, she said, "I fell in love with a different man. Once I started living with him, I realized that he was quite different from what I had expected." As much as we hate to say goodbye to you, honey buns, it is time to wrap it up and see you all same time, same place tomorrow. Bye-bye.